to this match with Floyd. The champ wants you.
Shout out the artists in New York. We built this city. We built. Where you f***? I'm from a small place in Dublin, Ireland. Place I've been trained by the people and shown love. $17.1 million respect on every single person in here. That's growing and going and getting what's theirs. None but respect. Keep going. Keep working. With hard work, with belief, anything is possible. You can knee, you can elbow. It's bare skin, bare bone. Floyd's not ready for this. And here,
What's up, guys? Surgery went smooth. They removed some cartilage, straightened some stuff up, opened up my airways so I can breathe better now. And gonna be out for 2 more weeks, getting back in the gym as soon as I can. I want to fight early next year, probably February. I want a top 10 opponent. Let's go.